What is calculus? Well, basically, it's all about two major ideas, and they are instantaneous rate of change, which we call the derivative, and total change, which we call the process of integration. We're going to play this video. This is a drag race on a quarter-mile track, and I want you to notice that the car is speeding up during the trip, starting at 0 miles per hour, of course, reaches the finish line somewhere around 200 miles an hour. So the speed is not constant. It's changing at every moment. So let's watch the video. And it's interesting that it's a Volkswagen here, closest to us. Okay. So you saw that it accelerated throughout and was going very fast at the end. So let's talk about this instantaneous rate of change concept first. Alright, so we can certainly talk about the average rate of change over that quarter-mile trip. So the average speed we can say that distance equals rate times time, so that rate is equal to distance divided by time. And it was a quarter-mile track, and if you watch the video and look at the timer on the video, you can see that it took them about 10 seconds to finish. And if you do the math on that, you get an average speed of 90 miles per hour. So that's the speed that you could have gone from beginning to end and ended up the same place at the same time. But he certainly wasn't going 90 miles per hour all the time there. He started at 0 miles per hour and ended up approximately somewhere around 200 miles per hour. So the average speed doesn't cut it. We want the instantaneous rate of change. So let's back up this video and play it, and then we're going to freeze it. So here is the car starting off, and it's coming to a certain spot, and we're going to freeze it right there. Okay. We really want to know what is the speed of that car right at that moment, frozen in time. Alright, so at that moment, the car is sitting here at a moment in time, and we can say, well, the speed is the distance they travel over the time it took to travel. But this car is frozen in time. It's not moving instantaneously right there. It's sort of stopped in a moment in time because no time is elapsing there. So really, over that instantaneous moment, it has traveled 0 distance and 0 seconds. So 0 miles over 0 seconds equals, well, what does that equal? Dividing by 0. I think what we have here is what this guy's thinking. What are you going to do now? And this is what stumped people for many, many years, hundreds of years, centuries. You know, you can't divide by 0. So they sort of gave up. Well, we're going to answer that in the class. We will also have another classic question. Total change. Well, this drag racing example also exemplifies that concept, because you want to know how far you've gone while your speed is changing at every moment. So again, distance equals rate times time. So let's say at this picture that we see here of the Volkswagen that it's going 100 miles per hour at that moment, let's say. So distance is, it's going 100 miles per hour, but it's only going that rate instantaneously, because the very next moment of time it's not going 100 miles per hour anymore. It's going faster because it was speeding up throughout. So really, it's only going 100 miles per hour for 0 seconds. So how far did it go? Well, 0. And then, well, let's say, okay, we'll pick it a little bit later on in the video when it's going 110 miles per hour. Again, right at that moment, it's only going that speed instantaneously. The very next microsecond, millisecond, it's not going that fast anymore. It's going faster. So that amount of speed is only good for 0 seconds, which is 0. So if you want to know how far the car has traveled, starting at the beginning, you get 0 plus another 0 plus another 0. You keep on adding up these zeros. And what do they add up to? Well, 0. Or do they? So again, we have this guy. What is going on? How can you add up a bunch of things that are all 0 and come up with anything at all? Again, that question had everybody stumped for hundreds of years, centuries, until they just gave up. Until this man, Newton, Isaac Newton. Him and another guy named Leibniz sort of worked independently in different parts of the world. And they came up with this idea of how to solve those age-old questions: instantaneous rate of change and total change. And the ideas that were rattling around in their minds got formalized over the years until now we have the subject of calculus. And that's what we're going to learn in this class.